Hi everyone, I'm Tammy from Sitemate. Keeping track of submission, review, and approval statuses can be a challenge, especially when relying on paper-based processes and email exchanges. With Dashpivot's workflows, tailored register views, and version control, you can streamline the entire process and ensure that all stakeholders have access to the latest documents anytime. Let's go and have a look at how this works. In Dashpivot, you can create a submittal log template entirely from scratch or choose from our public template library, which offers many ready-to-use templates. Let's run a search at the top here for submittal, and as you can see, there's already a format available for you to use. You can preview this before adding it to your workspace, and keep in mind that everything that you see here is fully customizable once added. Once the template is in your account, you can start filling out these digital forms. Our standard submittal log template includes fields such as date field, drop-down list for submittal type and classification, another text for description, and we have a little pre-filled table to add any attachment or photos. There are then sign-offs at the end with another drop-down to note the status of whether the submittal is approved or rejected. Once saved, the form will then be shown in a workflow view sorted by stages like this, from draft, review, and approved or rejected. A workflow format progresses a form through various stages, with notifications to alert relevant parties. For example, at the review stage, you might want to notify a supervisor or a specific person to ensure that they stay informed. While at the first column, you might want to notify the creator of the submittal log. In order to move a form forward, this is done through the approval signature. So let's say we're done with this first part, and myself as the person filling out the form, I will put through and sign this. And as you can see, that form has now been moved to the review stage. All of these logs are then compiled into a register automatically. With this view, all information within the forms are laid out in a table format with filters available at the top. You can then use these to narrow down for specific forms and then export these data as CSV or as PDF files. Information captured can also be analyzed further using analytics, which is available at both the team folders level or at the home folder. For example, I created two charts linked to the submittal logs. One breaks down the workflow columns and one broken down by the approved or rejected status. Photos are crucial for submittal logs because they provide visual evidence to support documents, helping clarify design details, site conditions, and material compliance. They can be found not only within your forms, but also in the Photos tab. Tags can then be created and applied for easy filtering when looking for specific images. GPS location can also be captured when photos are taken through the Dashpivot mobile app, and it will appear as a map on the left-hand side here. Editing the template format is easy should you need to make changes. Dashpivot features a user-friendly drag-and-drop system for the template builder, allowing you to format the template to best suit your organization's needs. There are many different types of fields available from the left-hand panel, and you can rearrange them as needed within the builder. Forms can be created and submitted using mobile or tablet for easy access. The forms are organized in a workflow just like on the web access. You can create a new form using the plus button or continue working on the existing logs by clicking on the existing form. Photos can be taken directly on the app, or you can choose to upload from your device gallery. Once taken or uploaded, photos can then be marked up to highlight details. This is also where you can apply tags or add any description for easy searching later on. Photo stamps are also available to display information such as the date and time, logo, geotagging, description, and much more. As you can see on the bottom left corner here, I have turned on the stamping for the date and time as well as the folder name. Any drawings or PDF files attached to the form can also be marked up using the app. This is useful for signing, highlighting, annotating specific parts of the documents. Once completed and you need to share a copy of the submittal log with others right away, you don't have to go back to your computer to export it. Instead, you can send this as a PDF via an email directly from the app, which will also include any photos or PDF files attached. The mobile and tablet app works offline and is available on both iOS and Android devices, making the entire process even more accessible for all personnel involved, whether they are in the field or in the office. Dashpivot can be used for many other use cases, and data can be synced to external tools such as SharePoint, Excel, Power BI, etc. using our integration product FlowSite. With this, you can seamlessly transfer your data from Dashpivot to your preferred data storage, analytics, or any other tools. You can try Dashpivot for Submittal logs today using our sign up link and let us know what you think. That's it from me for this video. Thank you for watching.